It will now be the official BA Blasting's AMH team playing in the Renault T20 franchise powered by Alphabet that is live streamed on the entire fine code in India, also via a betting site right across the world in Alphabet, on our Facebook pages, also on NBC and also on AMH, which makes this the most highly watched cricket game and tournament that we've ever hosted in Namibia.
I'm very confident and positive that this relationship will grow from strength to strength. And we're very, very proud to be part of this event and part of the BA Blasters. So, and also I think this event highlights the cricket season in Namibia. So we're extremely excited about that. So very, very excited. And for the team, I'd like to say, guys, we really, really are behind you all the way. Please go out there and just go and have fun. Play with your heart.
Hallo, my naam is Ruben Trimpelman en ek is speler van AMH BA Blasting en ek het vandag hierdie kaart gekry en vreeslik baie dankie. Dit is 'n awesome ding om te hê en hopelik kan ons 'n paar games vir die span wen en die toernooi vir huis toe bring vir die twee sponsors.